Reliability is Toyota's signature feature and commands unwavering consumer trust. Today, I can easily name several Toyota models that are famous across the automotive industry for their outstanding longevity. However, it is important to realize that in the fast-changing world of automobiles, complete supremacy is impossible to achieve for an indefinite period of time. In the last few years, a number of manufacturers have managed to really up their game. But what if I told you that Toyota's biggest rival in reliability is actually its own sibling? Let's take a look at the brand that took Toyota's blueprint and turned it into pure automotive gold. Lexus. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Toyota makes Lexus. While Toyota's luxury brand designation is accurate, Lexus distinguishes itself adequately to warrant standalone recognition. Borrowing Toyota's solid engineering foundation and building upon it, Lexus elevates the art of automotive excellence to new levels through higher-grade materials, finicky attention to detail, and uncompromising commitment to refinement. Of specific note, the 2023 J.D. Power Vehicle Dependability Study revealed a remarkable finding. Lexus surpassed Toyota's already high reliability marks. Consider the Lexus RX, for example, which demonstrates this distinction. Although it shares a bit of the same attributes as the Toyota Highlander, the RX offers dramatically better powertrain and electronic system performance. Similarly, the Lexus ES sedan, which also shares, as it stands, the same structural platform as the Toyota Camry, experiences homogeny-based supremacy in building quality and road-going dependability. Such upgraded performance owes exclusively to the serious production procedure undertaken by Lexus, coupled with an insistence on top-level craft excellence. While other makers focus on reliability as a single aspect, Lexus is committed to creating enduring car experiences. While more costly at first to buy, this greater upfront cost is traded for more enduring durability, fewer maintenance requirements, and increased peace of mind. When buying a Lexus, consumers look beyond mere possession of a car. Instead, they invest in a precision-made product that will last an extended period. By successfully combining luxury and reliability, Lexus carves out a unique niche in the automotive market. And just when you thought luxury was the only path to surpassing Toyota, here comes a brand that trades polish for pure grit. Up next is a name that's made rugged reliability its signature, and it's not afraid to get a little muddy doing it. Subaru. Subaru is a tribute to automobile excellence, having left its mark on the map with persistence and determination, coupled with boulder strength reliability. To those fortunate enough to have had charge of their SUV division, and specifically the Crosstrek and Forester lines, it will soon become self-evident that these vehicles carry abilities far above what your average sport utility car could ever begin to understand. Their higher capability in rough circumstances is guaranteed to distance them from the everyday SUV, with more brawn and vigor in situations that would cripple less sturdy automobiles. One of the most revolutionary concepts of Subaru is their revolutionary symmetrical four-wheel drive system. This revolutionary design surpasses most similar systems on Toyota models. And Subaru has a very distinct advantage in terms of longevity and adaptability. The Forester and Outback are evidence of this hypothesis, with almost universal praise for the gentleness with which they navigate rough terrain. Consumer Reports validates Subaru's engineering prowess, noting far fewer instances of long-term mechanical faults across their powertrain and four-wheel drive systems than other makers. Rather than the superficial appearance of complexity, Subaru's architectural approach is one of refined simplicity and functional minimalism. This is a very deliberate design approach that serves to keep servicing needs in check and high in reliability. The Impreza makes a striking study, consistently beating the Toyota Corolla in transmission and engine reliability tests. Subaru vehicles also demonstrate a marked reduction in safety recall problems, another key metric in assessing overall reliability. Subaru isn't alone in challenging Toyota's market share, however. There's another maker that stepped up to prominence, steadily ascending the ranks via streamlined engineering principles and an uncompromising zeal for quality. Mazda. The automobile world has evolved significantly, most obviously through Mazda's evolution. From what started as a manufacturer widely recognized for its agile vehicles, Mazda has evolved into a full-fledged automobile giant. By relentless innovation and refinement, Mazda has established itself as a credible contender within the realm of reliability, bringing it on par with the most esteemed manufacturers in the business. Their remarkable ascension is due to a series of strategic initiatives. The use of streamlined engineering techniques and rigorous quality control processes has enabled Mazda to sidestep unnecessary complexities that tend to cause mechanical breakdowns. This triumph reached its zenith when Consumer Reports placed Mazda in the top 3 most reliable car brands of 2021, which put it on par with Toyota and Lexus, a testament to the remarkable progress the company has achieved over the past few years. The Mazda CX-5 is a case in point here, traditionally measured against Toyota's RAV4, a legendary benchmark for reliability. Despite toiling in the shadow of this legendary competitor, the CX-5 has gained huge popularity in the US market with its exhilarating driving dynamics, robust performance numbers, and reliability levels up there with the RAV4. A similar story is to be found in the small sedan market, with the Mazda 3 and Toyota Corolla, both having built themselves reputations as reliable vehicles. While the Mazda 3 does the same, it stands out from the crowd with its simple design credo, providing a clear advantage in terms of ease of operation and serviceability. Far from standing pat, Mazda continues to innovate with initiatives that move boundaries. Their focus has been on increasing the mass reduction of vehicles while advancing fuel efficiency without disrupting the structural integrity and manufacturing excellence that their clients expect. That is a fine balancing act, one that Mazda has consistently demonstrated as being capable of achieving without compromising reliability. Though Mazda does not always come to mind as an example of a trustworthy vehicle when the topic is broached, they have achieved their place in the automotive conversation through hard work. Their dedication to innovative engineering and stellar craftsmanship makes them a company that must be taken very seriously. Having come quite a ways on its path, Mazda now sits among the companies offering Toyota credible competition. But before we wrap this up, there's one more name that's quietly rewriting the rules of reliability, with sleek design, lightweight innovation, and craftsmanship that speaks louder than marketing. Let's talk about the dark horse that's racing its way into Toyota's territory. Hyundai. In the course of a number of decades, Hyundai has become a pillar of car reliability. Although the brand wasn't exactly equated with reliability a decade ago, today's reality paints a very different picture. Through sheer will and hard work, Hyundai has managed to turn its public image around, becoming a serious player in the world of car reliability. They are now a balanced mix of superior engineering, contemporary looks, and competitive prices, and thus are a preferred rival of Toyota in most market segments. The success of Hyundai lies in its distinctive approach towards technological advancement and process manufacturing. By focusing on developing more efficient and aerodynamic powertrains, as well as maintaining strict quality control processes, the company has achieved impressive figures. One of the finest applications of this philosophy is in their SmartStream engine technology, which maximizes fuel efficiency without compromising mechanical durability over time. This technology has enabled Hyundai vehicles to score outstanding ratings consistently in rigorous long-term reliability tests, even beating Toyota's performance records in some aspects at times. A good example of Hyundai's competitive strength is in the Tucson model, which competes directly with Toyota's RAV4. The Tucson has received huge acclaim for its extremely reliable quality, smooth ride, and state-of-the-art features. Among sedans, the Elantra has been a good match for Toyota's Corolla, with frequent equal reliability and superior feature sets at comparable prices. One area where Hyundai excels most is in its industry-leading warranty program, such as a generous 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty guarantee. This strong support program provides drivers with an increased sense of security that few competitors, even Toyota, can offer. Such an enormous amount of support is tangible evidence of the company's utter confidence in its car products. Hyundai's emergence as a leadership reputation in the reliability market is anything but happenstance. Rather, it is a true testament to wise management prowess, innovative engineering solutions, and a dedicated commitment to making higher quality for competitive prices. To prospective car buyers who desire both reliability and the best current design features, Hyundai deserves serious consideration as a contender for inclusion on any shortlist of future buys. The incredible journey of the brand to reliability excellence is a tale of inspiration for auto industry transformation. Now, if you thought rugged performance was impressive, wait until you see how bold innovation and rock-solid support can flip the script on reliability. Coming up next is a brand that doesn't just back its cars, it bets the next decade on them. Honda is just as dependable as Toyota, facts have proven. They both have enjoyed a history of making efficient, long-lasting vehicles that need little maintenance. Honda's own particular strength is a catalog of high-tech features, most notably its VTEC technology. The highly advanced system optimizes engine efficiency across all RPM levels, creating better fuel economy while ensuring long-term durability. The Civic is a product of Honda's excellence, featuring more powerful engines and more robust transmissions than the Toyota Corolla. The CR-V competes head-to-head with the RAV4, which is admired for its fuel-sipping powertrain and lesser repair requirements in older models. Honda's key to success is its minimalist design philosophy, which concentrates on functionality without unnecessary complexity. While Toyota retains the reliability crown, other manufacturers demonstrate their own prowess. Subaru's rugged durability, Mazda's engineering simplicity, Lexus's upscale reliability, and Hyundai's technology. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.